After launching the Nokia 6.1 in Malaysia last week, the Finnish brand has just introduced its Nokia 3.1 in our local market. This is the most affordable 18:9-screen smartphone from Nokia and claims to have a performance 50% better than Nokia 3 from last year. The Nokia 3.1 features a 5.2 HD screen and runs on a MediaTek MT6750 processor. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage that can be expanded through a microSD card of up to 128 GB. On the back, it has a single main 13MP camera, while the front comes with an 8MP f/2.0 selfie trigger that has a wide field of view of 84.6 degrees. By powering the device, there is a 2990 mAh battery that is charged through microUSB. Out of the box, the Nokia 3.1 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. As it is a device with Android One, Nokia guarantees that it will receive 3 years of monthly security patches and 2 years of operating system updates.